How to see who viewed your Facebook profile. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can see or how you can view who has viewed your Facebook profile. Now, if you open up Facebook app and head into your profile, the thing you need to know is on Facebook you don't have any option or functionality where it will let you know that someone has viewed your profile. Now, Facebook doesn't let people track who views the profile or who views your profile, or if any third-party apps you come across the app and it claims that they have the ability, then you should probably report the app because it can't do so. Facebook doesn't support it, and if you use such apps or third-party apps or websites, your ID might get banned or deleted. So the only way you can know if your account has been viewed by someone else is if someone has been liking and commenting on your post. So this might be that they have viewed your profile, however it's uncertain because they might have just come across your post. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.